Good day everyone, my name is Jasmine Kim Peso, BSI Semphore. In this video, I will recite the three phases of Ten Commandments. First is the Ten Commandments of safety driving as a driver. Second is the Ten Commandments of road safety from traveler. Third is the Ten Commandments of traffic. The Ten Commandments of Safety Driving as a Driver. Number one, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Number two, I will not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, nor the views unseen by my eyes. Number three, I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. Number four, I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. Number five, I do not make a twist without signaling my intention. Number six, I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. Number 7, I will not be careless when crossing at intersection. Number 8, I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. Number 9, I will slow down when twilight comes and on-road safety conditions are before me. Number 10, I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every drivers and pedestrian. The Ten Commandments of Road Safety from Traveler. Number 1, thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Number 2, thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. Number 3, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Number 4, thou shalt not take it any chances. Number 5, thou shalt buckle up thy kids. Number 6, thou shalt not drive on thy bride. Number 7, thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty light. Number 8, thou shalt adhere to the speed limits. Number 9, thou shalt keep thy distance. Number 10, thou shalt practice patience. The Ten Commandments of Traffic. Number 1, keep right. Number 2, observe road courtesy. Number 3, prohibited parking. Number 4, if in doubt, do not overtake. Number 5, the bus stop rule. Lining up on the bus stop zone. Number 6, the rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. Number 7, observe traffic management measure. Number 8, the philosophy of Pinoy driver. First come, first serve vehicle. Number 9, on pedestrian. Number 10, remember the international driving safety reminders. And that's all. Thank you for watching.